In this video, I'm going to show you how to make wallpaper change automatically on iPhone running on iOS 17. If your iPhone is running on iOS 17, you probably know that you can easily set a wallpaper to change automatically on your iPhone. So I am running on the iPhone 17.4.1. If you're running on any of the iPhone 17 version, iOS 17 version, you would be able to set your wallpaper to change automatically. However, setting wallpaper to change automatically varies. So you may want to set your iPhone wallpaper to change daily, hourly, or on each of the single tap. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to how to make your iPhone wallpaper change itself. So once you're in your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper. Now tap add new wallpaper. Then you want to click on photo shuffle. Then you can use feature photos or select photos manually. Then let's go with manual options. So you'll be able to select photos you want to use as your iPhone wallpaper. To access all your gallery photos, all you need to do is either click on all or click on album. So once you select album, you have access to all your photos on your iPhone. Now let's check all my recent photos. To select the photos I want to use as my iPhone wallpaper so that it can change automatically. Now click on the menu icon at the bottom right, this, and here under show frequency, choose either daily or hourly or unlock or on tap. If you choose daily, that shows one wallpaper will show up once in a day. If you choose hourly, your iPhone wallpaper will change automatically after 1 hour. And if you choose unlock, each time you lock your iPhone, the wallpaper will change automatically. And if you select on tap, each time you tap on your iPhone screen, the wallpaper will change automatically. Now let's say we go with on tap, then tap on the add button at the top right. Once you click on the tab button at the top, add button at the bottom, you should see settings, then set as wallpaper pair to show it on your home screen as well as on your app screen. Then once you are done, click on this customize button to remove the blur background from the wallpaper. Then click on this blur button. Then your iPhone background would be fixable on your app menu or home screen. Then click on the done button. There you go. Then you can close this page. Now this is your wallpaper. Then on a single tap on this wallpaper, it's going to change. We do use this as background as well as the iPhone wallpaper. Then let's lock your iPhone screen just like this. This is the wallpaper. Tap it, then it's going to change to another wallpaper automatically. Tap on it, it's going to change to another wallpaper automatically. Tap on it. So for each time you click on your iPhone screen, your iPhone wallpaper will change from what it was to a new wallpaper until the entire photos or picture selected on your iPhone is calibrated. So this is how to make your iPhone wallpaper change automatically even without touching it. So if you want this to change automatically by itself, all you just need to do is while on the settings page here, click on this menu and make sure you set it to hourly. Then hourly, this is going to change hourly. So found this really interesting, want to smash the button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.